Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Moto G56 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app and just give the permissions it needs or you want to add. And right now we are in the standard photo mode, so we can take a look at this option bar, and on the second position from the right we've got the timer icon, which is crossed out, as you can see. So just tap on it, and here in this device we've got three different options, so off, 10 and 3 seconds delay. All you have to do is to tap on the option you'd like to use. So I will choose 10 seconds delay, just tap on it. As you can see, the icon will change slightly, so it will indicate which countdown you've got applied. And now all we have to do is to tap on the shutter button, and from now on your device will count down from 10 or 3 depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Alright, of course you can turn this option off. Just simply tap on this option and tap on the crossed out icon, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.